Hi, I'm Ren. Let's talk about how to take care of natural hair. Since I've big chopped in October 2016, I've come to realize that taking care of natural, Afro-textured hair is not difficult. It's just different. In these videos, I will share the best practices for healthy natural hair. Without further ado, let's get into the topic of this video. Styling a wash and go. So my hair has been deep conditioned. These are what the twist looks like when I take it down from the plastic cap. As you can see, they're pretty plump and juicy looking. My hair feels really moisturized, so now I'm just gonna rinse it out, dry up some of the excess water with an old t-shirt. So I take out as much excess water as possible, and then I go in with my tea. So I like to leave a tea in my hair before I apply any other products, and I focus on the scalp and also the length of my hair. Apply the hydrating hair cream to one side of my head, and then I go in with the tea on the other side. And when I'm finished applying the tea, massaging it into my scalp and getting the length of my hair, I clip up these sections and start working on my first section. I always start from the back for some reason. It's just easiest for me. I go in with my hydrating hair cream on the first section of my hair, and I spend a lot of time just working it in and smoothing it. This is because it's hard for natural hair to have a sheen. So by me smoothing products in my hair, I'm actually helping smooth the cuticle so that light can reflect better off of it. I just do this to all of the sections. I go in with my hydrating hair cream first, smooth it through my hair, and then I twist it back up. I repeat this process through all the sections of my hair. So these are the finished twists after applying the hydrating hair cream, and now it's time for styling. So I'm actually going to style using the same twist sections. I'm going to take down one twist at a time and separate it into small, like 2-inch sections, and apply my Healthy Hair by Ren styling custard. And while I'm applying, I'm sort of squeezing the section. I also use the prayer hands method, like sort of just smoothing it with the palms of my hands so that I can get a smooth curl, and also to help clump and define my curls. At the front of my hair, this is the only section that I shingle. I shingle the front because the hair there is a bit more difficult to clump, and because it's the front of my hair, I really want nice defined spirals. When I'm finished with the first side of my head, I cover it with a shower cap. That is to prevent it from drying out, and then I style the next side of my hair. and this is so important. This is something I recently started doing. I just put my hair in a ponytail and then I put a plastic cap over it, and this is to help the products absorb into my hair. As I mentioned before, I have low porosity hair, and this step before my hair air dries is so important because I want all of the good stuff in my products to actually absorb into my hair rather than sit on it. This method is really effective for that. I keep my hair like this for 30 minutes to an hour, sometimes even longer depending on what I have to do, but definitely no less than 30 minutes. I just take down my ponytail, ensure that my hair is falling the way I want it to fall, and then I allow it to air dry. My hair takes about an hour to air dry, and that's it. These are the final results for my wash and go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!